Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Nokia G21 device, and let me show how you can enable the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. So if we'll call out for the keyboard now, we'll see that there is no separate number row present. So what we want to do is to go to the Gboard settings, either by tapping on this gear icon here or opening the actual settings app, looking for the system settings category, going for the languages and input. Here choose on-screen keyboard, choose what keyboard is currently set. In my case, and by default, it is always going to be the Gboard, so we'll go for the Gboard settings menu. At the Gboard settings menu, choose preferences, and all that it's left to do for us is to turn on this switch, and that will mean that we have successfully enabled the separate number row, as we can see right now. Alrighty, so that was it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye!